So hi, we're the Jacobitz Learning Group. We're doing some more elementary math. Teachers and parents can watch, and students. We're not going to be doing subtraction today, but these things consider elementary math. And as we move on, we're going to look at things that need to do things both. So like these are your 4 times tables, and if you notice, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And if you could tell students, each time the number increases. So by 4 in the 4 times table. Okay, it increases 4 times. So now when you look at this, you have 4 times 1 is 4. If you get another set of 4, like take these cats, you get another set of 4, you're going to have 8. Because 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So we try to teach students how to think about these concepts. So here you see you started out with 4, and then 4 times 2, you're here over here at 8, and then 4 times 3 is 12. And this times 1 means 1 time, this means times 2, and this means times 3. So in actual fact, what you're doing is you're counting 4 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's why you have 3 sets of cats times 12. Okay? That's how you move on there. Next situation, you can try it with dots. A lot of times your teachers will give you base 10 numbers, but this is almost the same as base 10s. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then here you go. You're here again at 4. Okay, you title this is 8. When you add one more, you have 5. When you add one more, you have over here 6. Okay, so for people who can't add, they can always count. And they don't have to use the 4 times tables to do it. They can just start using the dot method and just adding, figuring out what they're going to do. So let's look at a problem using cats and using the 4 times table. Renee has 4 times as many cats as does Janine. How many cats does Janine have if Renee has 16? So you're setting up an equation. 4 cats actually equals what Janine has. But we want to know how many cats does Janine have if Renee has 16. This is given to you. So you put 4 cats equal Renee, and you could go 4 times J for Janine equals 16. I put 4C. For cats, this is what you might see, but you can also have 4J, because that means 4 times J equals Renee. So if you want to start out over here, you go 4J for Janine equals R, and then you substitute. 4J equals 16. Why am I writing a C? Because I kept it at cats, so that you could just go C. Because after all, you want to know the number of cats. Let's go over what this C is called. This C is called variable. In math, a variable is a number is a symbol, that expresses a number. So you could have C, as I showed you before. You could have J for Janine. You could have A. You could have B. You have C. High school kids use X, Y, Z. They use all kinds of alphabet, but it could be anything. So just so much as long and as much as you know that you're solving for that. Now, when you get ready to solve 4 times C, you already know, because 4 times 4 is 16. So you already know that C equals 4. But let's solve it the way that your teacher wants you to solve it, and let's do it as a word problem. Okay? So 4 cats equals R, or 4C equals 16, and I'm going to keep this equation. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide by 4. Why am I doing that? Why am I not just multiplying out? Because remember, if you want to divide something, you're going to get the number. Renee has 4 times as many, so Renee has the greater amount. She has 16. And Janine is really 4 less than Renee. Okay, but we don't want to put that out because then we'll start thinking it's subtraction. So 4 divided by 4 is going to give us 1C. And this means, this bar here means to divide. So when you get ready to divide, you are actually taking 4 into 16 like a normal division problem. So it's 4 into 16. What's the answer? It's 16. What's the answer here? It's 4 divided by 16. Okay, so here we are back at this problem. You have now 4 divided by 4. Equals 1. 1C equals 4. Where's this 1 coming from? I'm putting it here. Do I need it? No, because 1 times C, and by the way, these dots are what the high school kids sometimes use. It means multiply, equals C. So when we go to the next slide, we'll see what that looks like. That's just normal C. So your variable is 4. And your answer is Janine has 4. Doesn't matter if you use C or J, Janine has 4. Thank you for watching. Replay it if you need to.